Hi scholars, my name is Miss Mayfield and today we are going to do a phonemic awareness activity. The learning goal for this activity is students will be able to identify the initial sound of a word. So when you hear the word initial means beginning. Beginning means first. So today we are going to focus on the first sound we hear in a word. So first I want to ask you all, what are sounds? Sounds are things we hear. So I want to know, what are some sounds you hear? You guys may hear a telephone ring. You may also hear a dog barking. You may hear a cat meowing. And you may also hear the sirens from a fire truck. But did you know the words we speak are also made up of sounds? That's right. So when we say words such as snake, sailboat, seal, or socks, these words are made up of sounds. But I want us to focus on the very first sound we hear when we say these words. So again, let's look at this. This is a snake. You say it. Snake. What sound do you hear when you say snake? What is the first sound? The first sound is S. Good. This is a sailboat. You say it. Sailboat. What is the first sound in sailboat? That's right. The sound is S. This is a seal. You say it. Seal. What is the first sound you hear in seal? That's right. These are socks. You say it. Socks. What sound do you hear? So if you notice, snake, sailboat, seal, and socks all have the same beginning sound. They all begin with the sound. So let's try it again. What sounds do you hear? This is a map. You say it. Map. What is the very first sound you hear? I heard that too. This is a mop. You say it. Mop. What sound do you hear? Right? This is the moon. You say it. Moon. What sound do you hear? That's right. Map, mop, and moon all begin with the sound. Now let's play a game. Now we have to figure out which pictures have the same beginning sound. So this right here is a snake. You say it, guys. Snake. What's the first sound in snake? So now we have to figure out which picture has the same beginning sound as snake. This is a sandcastle. Does snake and sandcastle have the same beginning sound? I think so, but let's check the other pictures. This is a monkey. You say it. monkey. Does snake and monkey have the same beginning sound? I don't think so. Let's move on to the next picture. This is a giraffe. You say it. Giraffe. So let's find out. Does snake and giraffe have the same beginning sound? Nope. Let's move on to this last picture. This is a lion. You say it. Lion. Does snake and lion have the same beginning sound? Nope. So now let's go back to this picture right here. This is a sandcastle. And this is a snake. Let's say them together. Snake, sandcastle. They both have the same beginning sound. Snake starts with S. Sandcastle starts with S. So now I'm going to drag this circle, this circle right here, and place it over the sandcastle because this is the correct answer. Let's try another one. Which pictures have the same beginning sound? So this is a lamp. You say it. Lamp. This is a snake. Does lamp and snake have the same beginning sound? Nope. I don't think so. Let's move on to the next picture. This is an apple. So does lamp and apple have the same beginning sound? No. Let's move on to the next picture. This is a ladder. Does lamp and ladder have the same beginning sound? I think so. And lamp, the first sound is L. And ladder, the first sound is L. So they do have the same beginning sound. So now I'm going to move this circle and place it over the ladder because they have the same beginning sound. Let's try another one. Which pictures have the same beginning sound? This is a turtle. You say it. Turtle. Do you hear the beginning sound in turtle? Right? The beginning sound in turtle is T. This is an apple. Do turtle and apple have the same beginning sound? No way. What about turtle and table? Let's hear that again. Turtle, table. They do sound the same. So I'm going to take this circle and I'm going to drag it over the table because turtle and table sound the same. Now for your independent practice, I want you guys to do the same activity on your own. You are going to tell me which pictures have the same sound. So for example, this is money. What sound do you hear in money? I hear the sound. So you have to tell me which picture has the same sound as Then you're going to do the same thing for this one. This is an apple. Apple. Do you hear the first sound in apple? The first sound is a. So you're going to identify which picture also begins with the A sound. This right here is a fish. Fish. Do you hear the first sound in fish? That's right, it's. So now you have to tell me which picture also has the or begins with the sound. All right, scholars, I hope you enjoyed this phonemic awareness activity, and I can't wait to see you all tomorrow. Bye.